Yeah, so we just accepted a boat.
Life, you've taken my disguise.
Say hi.
You want me to be now.
Alright, so it wasn't exactly this boat, but I wouldn't have complained if it were. Our friends graciously lent us their schooner in Sag Harbor for a week while we played the real-life version of Where in the World is Our Next Home.
Hot. It's a little hot.
Selling our previous boat turned into a bizarre ordeal, and before we knew it, Millie and I were left with no choice but to abandon ship, leave Cody in New York, and jet off to Norway for a few months.
Who is she? I promise I'll be brave enough.
It was like a twisted blessing, summer with friends and family, but I also had to spend 2 months with a broken foot. We had no new boat in sight, and Cody was still weeks out from flying in.
What are you doing?
Suddenly my life felt like a bad play, but then...
Life, I've forgotten how new ground feels. You ask me to dance, I don't stand a chance. Take me back, oh life.
Yoo-hoo! Yeah, so we just accepted a boat. We bought a boat. You feeling that you want to get dressed up?
Wait, was that the acceptance?
That was the acceptance.
That was the acceptance? She probably looked
Millie
for a sign,
has, just to turn the story around, she has a big cut in her forehead. She fell off a toy tractor yesterday.
You rolled
And
the
also, rolled a tractor. Also, this is her nice shoes that we found in a box, hand-me-down from her cousin a couple of days ago. And this is now all she wants to wear. She's in a PJ and she just wants, no socks, no nothing. She just wants to wear her nice shoes.
And it's 9 a.m. and she's wrecked the house already. Every time you turn around, it's like, there's more things out.
Yeah. To update, we're in Norway. It's been a little bit of a roller coaster. We had a boat that we want to buy. It has a bit more projects. Hey, Millie,
Hey.
you found the tractor we know. Okay, and so we have now negotiated to a price where we feel comfortable with the project list that we need to complete, and we're now on a timeline that we make ourselves, which is nice for a change. New boat!
Cody was the only one in the US when we found the boat, and we actually sealed the deal on it with the amount of calmness a YouTube video walkthrough can provide before I could even give it the once-over. Desperate for new seaworthy companions, Vinyasa 2.0 waltzed into our lives just when we needed it the most. But hold your seahorses. Before we could dive into boat business, Cody has some deliveries to take care of, which presented as the perfect timing, golden opportunity to visit Cody's folks in the festive chaos leading up to Christmas.
Promise I'll be brave enough. Hey, inner child.
Then, with a truck and camper loaded up with random tools and belongings for a 2,000-mile road trip to our aquatic abode, we were armed with a foolproof plan to get things done in time to escape winter and head straight for some Bahamian sunshine.
Beep, beep, watch the rocks. Truck, big trucks.
Oh,
Done.
done. Okay, so what happened is Millie just lied and said she pooped so she could get out of her seat and do this.
Smooth sailing, which we planned to have done in a month. Or so we thought.
You do the turkey. You're turkey, girl.
You do it.
You're turkey, girl.
Well, road trips are fun. What? Daytime road trips with a 2-year-old, on the other hand, is a challenge, but we're getting by. Get these clowns.
I've got a 29-foot camper. I got a way to turn around.
You'll be alright. You can spin it around.
Oh, those guys.
Yeah. We're pretty discreet. Like, we could sneak up on a lot of people with this thing. Oh, Millie Bean.
Where are we at? The new boats? You show Daddy?
So we just got here to the boat. Therese
Yeah.
just saw it for the first time.
I did.
Oh
Our
boy.
new home.
Our new home.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. It's a lot of potential. Huge cockpit. I love this. Like,
I know.
This is fantastic.
It's really nice.
It's,
Where you're at, sitting there,
Oh yeah.
driving, it's actually really nice.
And like,
But,
we'll actually lay here.
Yeah.
Cody, you're sitting on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, I started cleaning a little bit. Millie, stay here. Stay here.
Go
Stay
get her.
Here.
Go get her.
So we are at the boatyard, just trying to get the lay of the land. It's like a little weird to get started because this keeps happening. Millie, be careful. She wants to go eat. She wants to go sleep. She doesn't want to sleep. She wants to sing songs. She want to climb all over, run all over. We're settling in. We're gonna find a place to put our camper. We have one. We're just want to make sure we can stay there. And Cody's getting everything ready for the mast to be pulled. At some point we need to inspect this mast base. And Millie, good job. Stay in the cockpit. Never pulled a mast before. It's gonna be interesting. I don't know when this mast has been pulled. No one does. So maybe never. I don't know. All the rigging's new, but the mast needs some attention. So we'll just see, or not. We don't know actually if it does.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now.
Turn around, I dare ya.
Do something crazy.
It's some kind of devotion brings me down.
Just when we were gearing up for weeks of limited fun, aka staring at boat parts and paperwork, our fellow camper comrades threw us a lifeline in the form of a weekend getaway. We jumped on the chance faster than a seagull swooping for a french fry, all while twiddling our thumbs waiting for the mast crew to actually pull our stick. Post-Disney Christmas, courtesy of my well-wrapped present, we returned to the boatyard, ready to tackle the insurance company's checklists, like over-enthusiastic elves.
You're holding my mind in a tight grip when I walk all over you.
And as more and more of our friends splashed, we were itching to get done, all the while finding more and more problems, as boat life goes. Still, we could almost taste the world at our keel.
Through my without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. I guess my love is for the ocean, not for you. No, not for you.
This doesn't work for me. We got too much food. Yeah. I thought I knew what was in storage, but I did not. How much do we throw away? That's the question. Or who here needs food? Hopefully someone in this boatyard needs something. Because we do not need all of this.
Mommy. Sorry. Sorry. Here. Oh, you
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clearer light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day to today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good